Hi everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Money Choice review. Money Choice is promising you guys out there up to $777 to roll a coin on a track while avoiding obstacles. Is this money-making application legit or a scam? I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. Now, have you ever wondered what would happen if a developer takes an already existing concept for a casual game and then adds a money-making element to it? That's what the developers of Money Choice have essentially done. They've taken a working concept for a fun casual game and then inserted their own little money-making aspect into it to try and lure you guys into playing it. Instead of having realistic money-making options here, where maybe you can win $1 or $2 per hour playing a game, Money Choice decides to go all out and straight away claim that you can win up to almost $1,000 playing this application. But not only that, they're also claiming that they can support different cash-out methods as well, which you can see on the screen right now. Whenever I see this, a red flag is risen, everyone. But not only that, Money Choice is also claiming that you can win real life rewards by playing this game. We're talking about a Microsoft Surface Pro, tickets to Disneyland, and even a MacBook Pro. It just keeps going on and on. But the catch is we have to collect enough puzzle pieces. We've seen this kind of system before. Now, there are two main different types of currencies on Money Choice. The first one is the in-game currency, which apparently can convert into real life cash as well, but mainly it's used to upgrade your coin to make your earnings supposedly better. And then you have the more premium currency of diamonds. Now, I have a lot to say about this diamond system in a couple of minutes, but it's basically the same concept as the cash. As you can see on the screen, Money Choice is requiring you guys to collect a certain amount of cash or diamonds before you are allowed to actually cash out on it. You can also buy skins for your coins, but I don't really care about this kind of system because I'm only playing this application to try and win some real life cash. Now, moving on to the actual earning experience on Money Choice. The whole idea of Money Choice is that we have to roll our little coin through a track full of obstacles and hazards. It's pretty straightforward, everyone. As I said, I'm fairly sure there are games like this already made on the market. If I can think of the top of my head, there's one called Money Rush, which I'm pretty sure is just a free-to-play type of game with no money-making aspects. It kind of seems like these developers have completely stolen that idea and inserted their own little money-making scheme into it. You can actually increase your earnings by avoiding the hazard and rolling through the bonuses on the track, but I did find that the app did try its hardest to punish you with kind of ridiculous little hazards to make sure you don't earn too much of a reward. Money Choice works in levels, so the more levels that you complete, obviously the more cash and diamonds that you can try and find along your way. But something that I noticed as well, the closer that you get to the cash out point on Money Choice, the amount of diamonds that you are rewarded per track will start to decrease. So straight away, that's another red flag that the application is actually punishing you for getting closer to the cash out point. Now, we've seen this many times with applications that are complete jokes. And obviously they do this so then you keep on playing the application, and I'll tell you why in a second. If you guys like what I do here on YouTube, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, join my free newsletter, drop a comment, and of course share this video to anyone you think needs to see it. You guys are helping me get to 80,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. The absolute worst part of Money Choice, in my opinion, is the fact that they actually play an advertisement almost every single 30 seconds to 1 minute. So you are constantly bombarded with advertisements. You cannot claim rewards without seeing an advertisement. This is the most bare bones an obvious attempt to try and farm you guys for ad views, in my opinion. Money-making applications like this are still allowed on the Google Play Store, which just amazes me. I got so frustrated towards the end of Money Choice, I decided to call it quits and uninstall the application because I could tell straight away this is another money-making application that will never ever pay you these rewards, in my honest view, especially with a system that has diminishing returns. All the developers want to do is make the money off you guys through the advertisements. It's as straightforward as that. Unlike Money Choice, any game that punishes you for getting closer to that cash out point is absolutely pathetic. And at this point, I can see straight through these type of scams. And I'm sure you guys can as well. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll catch you all tomorrow.